Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming your phone or tablet actually accepts an external keyboard and mouse. Connect via Bluetooth first for simplicity, or plug in a powered USB hub and adapter when using wired devices. Once connected, accept any permission prompts and set the input method to the external keyboard in Settings. Make sure pointer access is enabled for mouse control. This gives you cursor movement and right-click options. Once done, test basic typing and pointer movement to verify the link works. Now configure how the keyboard and mouse behave so they match your workflow. Change layout, language, and repeat rate to avoid missed keystrokes. Remap caps Lock, Alt, or Control to useful functions if the system allows. This makes shortcuts consistent with your desktop habits. For the mouse, adjust pointer speed and enable secondary click gestures. Consider enabling two-button emulation if you have a single-button mouse. Once configured, open several apps to practice shortcuts and window switching to build speed. To finish, optimize for reliability and battery life. Save input profiles for specific apps, lower screen brightness, and turn off unused radios when possible. Make sure firmware and OS are up to date to prevent compatibility problems. If the keyboard or mouse misbehaves, restart both devices first, repair Bluetooth or reconnect the cable, and try a different adapter or hub. One key troubleshooting tip: test the peripheral on another device to isolate whether the accessory or the mobile device is at fault before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.